Very good afternoon to everyone. So, guys, I think this is your computer architecture lecture, but due to some emergency, Shreyas will not able to conduct this session. So, I am going to take this session. Okay. So, first of all, any discussion before moving to any of the discussion of OS, I just want to clear out some things regarding DE subject, right? Many of you are having some of the doubts in design engineering, right? So first of all, one thing just that I just want to mention here is I will share one sheet with you. Listen carefully, everyone. I will share one Google sheet with you. Over there, you will just enter the names of your projects and your project names with your group members name, the in the group you are working with the title of your project you are working in design engineering. You will just do the entry first of all. I think A batch students are doing project under me. Am I right? Yes. uh, B group and C group, batch B and C, आप लोगों के इंटरनल गाइड्स कौन है? B group Jatin sir and C group Krishna ma'am. Okay. So okay. तो पहला टास्क तो आप लोगों का है कि आप लोगों को उस शीट में अपनी एंट्रीज करनी है, राइट? आपको अपने प्रोजेक्ट के टाइटल्स की ग्रुप वाइज आई विल शेयर दिस शीट. आपको शीट में नीचे जो मैं शेयर करूंगी उसमें आपको मल्टीपल शीट्स मिलेंगी. बाय चेकिंग योर ग्रुप, ए बैच के हो आप, बी बैच के हो या सी बैच के हो, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट यू विल मेक योर एंट्रीज ओवर देयर एंड मेक श्योर दैट आपके ग्रुप की एंट्री एक ही बार हो. एवरीबडी विल नॉट डू द एंट्री. इज इट क्लियर? Second thing, many of you have done the registration. Anybody is pending with the registration part on DE portal?
मैम रजिस्ट्रेशन तो खुल नहीं रहा था तो अभी तक हुआ ही नहीं.
Ravindra, you will check it is open.
यस मैम.
Okay. जो
जी.
भी पेंडिंग है अपने रजिस्ट्रेशन के लिए, मेक श्योर दैट विद इन 1 or 2 days you will make your registrations complete. Fine. This is the second announcement. Yes, you have to do the registration again in 4th semester with your team members. Fine. So you have to do the registration within 1 or 2 days. You will go to your portals, DE portals. They are open. Do registration. I will approve. उससे पहले मुझे आप लोगों की एंट्रीज चाहिए आपके प्रोजेक्ट टाइटल्स और ग्रुप मेंबर्स के साथ. उसके बाद ही मैं वो सब अप्रूव कर पाऊंगी. फाइन. अभी तक कोई डाउट किसी को? कोई क्वेरी? registrations तक okay. So within this week probably today is Wednesday na? Yes. So within, yes, जिनका registration हो गया it is fine. I'll check within this week. I'm saying I will we will try to complete the registration part and I will approve. It is your choice. Username and password is your choice. आप registration करोगे तो आपको पता चल जाएगा what they are asking for. Fine. So within this week we will try to complete the registration part. और registration part complete होते ही I will approve your group entries. ओके. तो रजिस्ट्रेशन खत्म करते हैं इस हफ्ते में और फिर मैं आप लोगों के सभी ग्रुप्स को अप्रूव कर दूंगी. As soon as you will register, I will just make sure that मैं ऐसा नहीं है अब एक एक रजिस्ट्रेशन करने के बाद मुझे मैसेज नहीं ड्रॉप करना अप्रूव करने के लिए. Once I will see many of you have registered, I will start approving your projects. Fine. At the end, I will ask if somebody will remaining, then I will approve again. तो मुझे बताओ कब तक रजिस्ट्रेशन करोगे, so that I can check, I can approve. Today is Wednesday. By end of Friday, everybody will register on the website. I will approve on Friday. Firstly, on first day मैं Friday को approve करती हूँ. I will check on Friday everybody's project. Fine. Till if somebody is remaining, then we will check on next Sunday or Monday, whatever it is. Fine. So this is the first thing about DE. अब DE के बारे में, DE के regarding किसी को कोई doubt, कोई भी query you can ask. Done about DE? No other doubts regarding DE subject? Because I have got many queries from your end, from multiple batches student. As you know that Krishna ma'am is no more with us with our institute. So you guys have to do the registration. I will approve. Don't worry. And what you need to do further, I will guide. Fine. Chalo. So next, moving to your mid one. When do we need to prepare monthly assessment? We are left with mind maps and assessments until when we have to complete as Krishna ma'am's left. Yes. Some of the canvas sheet is still pending. Yes. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जितने कैनवसेस आपके कंप्लीट हो गए हैं रजिस्ट्रेशन के बाद, आपकी टीम अप्रूव होने के बाद आप उतने अपलोड कर सकते हो. सेकेंडली, द थिंग्स विच आर रिमेनिंग, आई विल conduct 1 or 2 classes when it is required, right? So that you will complete your work which is pending and you can upload. Is it fine? We are left with mind maps and assessment. And yes, about your monthly assessment, you have to prepare your assessment your own. If you will find any doubt in that, you can ask. Monthly assessment आपको खुद से prepare करने हैं. You can download those assessments from your portals. अगर आपको कोई डाउट आता है उसमें तो आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हो. Done? Fine. Whatever the sheets will pending, we will cover that. Don't worry. For till now you can use the soft copy. I think AWS students तो soft copy भी use कर रहे हैं. एक बार आप portal में, आपने पिछले semester में भी soft copies ही upload की है ना? हाँ, then you can go for soft copy. I think many of you had uploaded the soft copy as well because hard copy तो possible नहीं था. Yes, you can go for it. Fine. चलिए. और कोई query? Fine. So basically your mid one. अब आपके mid one की बात करते हैं. Your OS mid one exam is on 26th. That is I think on Monday. OS exam, OS mid one is on 26th. That is on Monday. And the syllabus for your OS exam is chapter number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Basic introduction of OS, process management, concurrency and IPC. These are the chapters. So the most I think recently chapter we had seen, that is your IPC. तो आपको revision की requirement तो है ही. You require revision for these chapters for mid one. So today we will do the same. What you need to do, I will assign you one task here. Let me open your PPT. Chapter number 3 and 4. Yes, here it is. Yes. So these are the topics we have covered in this chapter, that is in IPC and concurrency. So now what you will do today, the very easiest thing you will do, देखो, pick any of the topic. अपनी मर्जी से कोई भी एक टॉपिक पिक कर सकते हो आप इन द गिवन टॉपिक्स. आई एम गिविंग यू सम टाइम हियर 15 to 20 minutes. Then one by one you will start discussing. आपने उस टॉपिक के बारे में जो भी पढ़ा हो you will discuss. So it is your revision as well and others revision as well. Everybody get to know who is not aware about these topics. So pick the topic according to your choice, then you will discuss that topic. I will ask from everyone. Fine. So start opting the topics as per your choice. So guys, opt the topic as per your choice. I will ask from everyone one by one. during registration whom we have to keep as internal guide. Lisa, when you will go to the DE portal now, you will get the list of faculties who have registered on that portal. On that you will select the name. If you will get the name of the Jatin sir on that list, you will select, you can select him. Otherwise you can just register to as in your subject, your college code. You can register under your college code, that is your 057. Then we will approve by ourselves. Fine. Yes, you have Jatin sir's name now. It is fine. You can register under him in that list. Yes, you have to select that. Guys, you are having 15 minutes. 5 minutes had already done. You are having 10 minutes more for the topic reading. Just read the topic of your choice and let me know once you're done. Yes, student, your time is done. So have you read one of the topic in the given topics? Who will start? Who want to initiate? खुद से कौन इनिशिएट करना चाहेगा? Or either I will ask randomly. Yes. Yes, Abhishek. Raj, priority inversion problem. Yes, Raj. Please continue. Raj, unmute yourself and start discussing, बच्चे. You have a doubt in this topic. What I'm asking, I asked you to opt any one topic that you will discuss. Doubt session में रखूंगी आप लोगों के लिए. Don't worry. Yes, Abhishek. Which topic you will discuss? Yes, Abhishek. Start discussing. Race conditions. But if reading, then what problem occurs? Raj, I'm not getting you. What are you saying? Abhishek, you can unmute yourself, बच्चे, and start discussing. What you guys are doing? Who else have discussed another topic? कोई ऐसा स्टूडेंट जिसने कोई टॉपिक?
हेलो मैम.
यस राज.
मैम वो अभिषेक जो डिफिनेशन लिखा हुआ है रेस कंडीशन का, उसमें वो रीडिंग कर रहा है. तो मैम क्रिटिकल सिचुएशन में अगर क्रिटिकल सेक्शन अगर रीडिंग कर रहे हैं तो उसमें तो कोई प्रॉब्लम आता नहीं है.
यस करेक्ट.
यस मैम, इसी के लिए हम बोले.
Race condition can be defined as a situation where two or more processes are reading or writing. It is basically to get out of object data from inconsistency. Yes. So basically, race condition is a condition where two of the processes are sharing one resource at the same time. It is not about reading or writing. अगर रीडिंग राइटिंग साइमल्टेनियसली भी अगर हो रहा है राज, तब भी आपकी इनकंसिस्टेंसी होती है. यस.
चल मैम.
कोई भी ऐसा टॉपिक आप लोगों ने नहीं पढ़ा है जो आप डिस्कस कर पाओ?
चलो मैम.
एनीवन? यस राज.
बट मैम अगर कोई प्रोसेस अगर रीडिंग कर रहा है मैम, तो उसमें अगर दूसरा प्रोसेस आकर भी रीडिंग कर रहा है तो उसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या होगा?
बोथ अगर सेम टाइम पे रीड कर रहे हैं देन देयर इज ए नो इनकंसिस्टेंसी, बट रीड और राइट कर रहे में इनकंसिस्टेंसी की बात हो रही है. ओके. Yes, Harshit has written the correct statement. In race condition, it is dependent on a particular order, in which order processes are sharing that resource. Because if they are dependent on one another's order of execution, then inconsistency can occur. Right? Yes. Yes, Harshit, any topic you will discuss? Why, Vache? Let's other will start. You will initiate now. It is fine. Yes, Miloni? Miloni, have you read any topic? Miloni? Lisa? Parthiv? आर यू देयर? बेटा क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग? तुम लोगों को इतनी देर हो गई, तुम लोगों ने एक भी टॉपिक रीड नहीं किया अभी तक. व्हाट यू गाइस आर डूइंग? पार्थिव इज प्रिपेयरिंग. ओके फाइन. व्हाट अदर्स आर डूइंग? दक्ष, हैव यू प्रिपेयर्ड? स्टिल प्रिपेयरिंग. बच्चे कितना टाइम? एक ही टॉपिक को तो 5 मिनट के तो डिस्कशन करना है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग ना कि आप इन डिटेल जाकर डिस्कस करो. यू हैव टू डिस्कस फॉर 5 मिनट्स. No, you need not to write here. You have to speak. Semaphores are used in a real-world system as they record how many units of a particular resource are available, coupled with operations to adjust that record safety. You have to discuss with me. Unmute yourself. Yes, Harshit, you will start. Which topic you will discuss, Harshit? Yes, Pache, who will going to discuss? Nidhi, Ishita, Nandini. What you girls are doing? Have you prepared anything? इस तरीके से रिवीजन करोगे, तैयारी करोगे तो बस हो लियो तुम लोग ओएस में पास। एक टॉपिक भी नहीं पढ़ पा रहे हो 10-15 मिनट में तो बस हो गया तुम्हारा। कुछ नहीं पढ़ रहे हो तुम। कोई भी एक ऐसा स्टूडेंट है जिसने कुछ पढ़ा है? हाँ, डिस्कशन तो अभी तक किसी ने भी नहीं किया है कि ठीक है मैम, दिस इज अ टॉपिक आई हैड रीड, आई विल डिस्कस ऑन इट। ये तैयारी कर रहे हो तुम लोग? ये पेपर कैसे दोगे मंडे को? पढ़ने लिखने में तो जीरो पढ़े हो। यस लीजा, पार्थिव, हैव यू प्रिपेयर्ड? यस राज।
हेलो मैम।
यस बच्चे।
I want to
यस
ma'am, semaphore is a special integer variable. There are mainly two standard operation, weight and
यस
signal. And
यस
weight operation decrement the value of semaphore by 1, and signal operation
यस
increment the value of semaphore by 1.
यस, वेरी गुड। और कोई, किसी ने कुछ पढ़ा हो? नहीं तो दिख रहा है तुम्हारा क्लास परफॉर्मेंस मुझे अच्छे से। क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग? Anybody else who have learned, who have prepared anything?
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Yes.
Am
Yes,
I audible?
Manish. Yes, Manish.
Yes. Ma'am, just I read about something about critical sections. So I'm talking about
Okay.
critical section. So first
Okay.
of all, critical section is a code segment where
Hmm.
the shared people can be accessed.
Hmm. Yes.
So, critical section is also cannot be execute more than one process.
Yes.
This situation can be race condition.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Good. Anybody else who have read anything? Yes, Parth. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, there are two processes, namely independent processes and cooperating processes. First one,
Yes.
independent processes. They are the type of processes which cannot or be affected by the execution of another processes. And
Yes.
the second one, which are cooperating processes, which can affect or be affected by the execution of the another processes.
Yes. Good. What others are doing? Yes, Cable.
One or two or more processes access concurrently the
Mm.
critical state that leads to the concurrent data,
Mm.
inconsistent data.
Mm-hmm.
They have failed to manage their shared resources.
Yes. Yes. Good. Yes. Anybody else who want to discuss any topic? Yes. Anyone else? गाइस सी मेरे बार बार पढ़ाने से कुछ नहीं होगा जब तक आप खुद नहीं पढ़ोगे आपको कुछ नहीं आएगा राइट वी हैव covered a lot of things a lot of topics in OS make sure that you will read or learn these topics by your own ones start doing the revisions of the chapters is it okay I hope you will start preparing for your mid exams so we are closing the session here